Now, let's be honest here. Divi on its own is not that powerful. Now, this statement does not only apply to Divi, but to any page builder out there. I would like to compare Divi with, say, an iPhone. The iPhone can look pretty, has all these features, but without the apps, pretty much you just have a pretty looking phone. So what makes Divi really, really powerful is the software that works with it. So for example, if you want to build sales funnels, there's WP funnels, which works really, really well with Divi. If you want to create an online store website, there's WooCommerce. Again, it really integrates very, very well with Divi. If you want to build an email marketing platform, we have Fluent CRM to collect all your leads. We also have Tutor LMS for creating an online course website. If you want to create online courses, we also have Wishlist Member. If you want to create a membership website, we have Fluent Forms. I mean, I could go on and on and on. So these products really make it easy to create any type of website that you want to build. And this is where the power of Divi comes in, because the integrations are really, really good. Now, there's also other areas which are very, very important that really work well with Divi. Now, recently, Divi AI was released, and this really takes Divi to the next level because it helps you create the content that goes on your web pages. Now let's talk about SEO. If you want to rank your website, you're also going to need a plugin that allows this to happen easily, and this is Rank Math. Rank Math really makes it very, very easy to apply SEO onto your website. Now, when it comes to hosting, there's a ton of companies out there that offer web hosting services, and SiteGround was optimized to work well with Divi. Now, the other thing also which is really powerful is the fact that Divi also created a marketplace where you can buy products that work with Divi, because obviously there are some areas where Divi may be lacking. They allow developers to go in and create other plugins or software that work with Divi itself, increasing its functionality. When I purchased Divi about 8 years ago, I went for the lifetime license for $249, I think. It might have been cheaper around that time, but I think it was $249, or at least that's the price right now. Now, I was able to create about 200 websites at $400 each, which means just that $249 that I invested in Divi, I mean, it just made me 80,000. Now, this was back in the day when I was running my design agency. I mean, it really worked very well for me, but of course, I made quite a few mistakes. I mean, I got fatigued. I didn't really want to design websites anymore. So I decided to create tutorials and create products that work with Divi. But as you can see, just an investment of $249 can really, really get your money back within a very short space of time. In this case, I mean, 80,000 is a lot of money. At the moment, we know Divi is slightly behind when we compare the features with other page builders out there, but they are very, very serious. Just in case you may be thinking, well, if I buy Divi now, what's the guarantee that in the future they are going to produce more features and make this work? But I can tell you right now, there's a Divi 5 Alpha as we speak. You can start testing it out, and they are really serious about taking this page builder to the next level. And there's also Divi 6 coming along. So Divi 6 is going to have all the bells and whistles and even great integration with other software out there, because they are going to release the API and also add more features to make it easy for us to design really awesome websites. Now, when we take a look at the price, at the moment, there's a Divi summer sale and there's a 20% off. So if you go for the normal license, which is $89 a year, this will give you unlimited websites. I mean, you can just buy the normal license and get unlimited and design unlimited websites. This is unheard of. You know, I'm pretty sure, don't quote me on this, but I don't think there's any other page builder out there that's offering unlimited websites or even a lifetime license. Now, when it comes to the lifetime license, I mean, look at this. $249, and I'm talking about outside the 20% discount, can build you unlimited websites forever, meaning you can get Divi 5, you can get Divi 6, and all the other features that Divi releases onto their page builder just for $249. I know it may be a gamble, because you could say, oh, maybe they might not deliver on the promise of Divi 6 and all these extra features. But as someone who's worked with Divi for a very long time, in fact, I would say more than 10 years, I have seen innovation after innovation. And the team itself, because I've been part of the team, they are very, very hardworking people, and they are serious and they mean business. So now is the time to get Divi lifetime license, because there's a 20% discount and they might do away with the lifetime license. So you may be thinking, well, okay, but if I sign up for Divi, it's a new software, it's going to be very difficult for me to work with it. Now, here's the thing. If you purchase Divi using my affiliate link, I'm going to give you access to the Divi Jumpstart course. This is a course which will just get you up and running super fast with Divi. You don't have to go on YouTube to go through all these tutorials to find out how Divi works. As soon as you purchase Divi using my link, I'll give you access to that course. So you may be saying, but Mac, I now know how to use the Divi Builder because I've watched your course, but what if I want to build a membership website? What if I want to build sales funnels? What if I want to build blogging websites? Well, if you purchase the lifetime license, I'm going to give you access to Divi University, where I show you how Divi and WooCommerce works, Divi and WP Funnel, Divi and Wishlist Member. Basically, I'm going to show you how Divi integrates with all these softwares to create unique websites. And all this will be on Divi University. So if you purchase the lifetime license or Divi AI, I'll give you access to Divi University, where you have access to courses, child themes, templates, and even workshops. So you may be thinking, well, so how really can I make my money with Divi? Well, there's so many options. If you take especially the lifetime license, that means you don't have to worry about paying extra for all the features they're going to add onto Divi. So you can pretty much get started as a freelance designer, just like what I did. I started off as a freelance designer, designing websites for small businesses. You can expand this to an agency. You can sell child themes. I mean, I've started experimenting with child themes, which, by the way, is working really well. You can also create your own blog or your own website for your business. So as you can see, there are so many ways that you can really utilize this lifetime license. So the question now is Divi worth it? Well, my answer to that is 100% yes. Of course, you can experiment with other page builders and so on, but if you invest in this, it's only $249 for lifetime access. I mean, all the future features are going to be coming through, and you also get lifetime access to Divi University, where you get access to courses, child themes, templates, workshops. I will not charge you for anything extra as soon as you purchase Divi AI or the Divi lifetime license. This will give you, that's your passport to Divi University. All right, guys, thank you very much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Take care.